In this short guide, I will show how to buy shares of Marsh McLennan Cos Inc., a global professional services and insurance brokerage group. The company trades on NASDAQ under the ticker MRSH, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To complete any stock purchase, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as the example platform to illustrate the steps. After registering, you will typically verify your account with a government ID and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MRSH to find the listed security. Make sure you select Marsh McLennan Cos Inc. from the NASDAQ results to locate the correct listing. Open the stock page to review basic company information and view the price chart for context. Double-check the company name and NASDAQ listing to confirm this is the correct MRSH share. Tap Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, carefully review the order details, and then confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a limit order, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade executes, you will see your new position in the portfolio view. Check the link in the description for the eToro example used in this walkthrough if you want to explore the platform further.